Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit subscribe down at the bottom. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not going to be a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a hair review for these beautiful bundles that I'm wearing. This hair company that I'm wearing today is called Trinity Hair Haven. You can visit their website at trinityhairhaven.com. I ordered the hair on a Friday and I got it on a Wednesday. That's the fastest shipping on any hair bundle I've ever had in my life. When I got it, it came in this cute little purple satin bag. These cute little tassels. Came in this cute little purple satin bag. You can see the logo on here with their website. And I like how they sent it in a satin bag as opposed to the plastic bags that I usually get my hair bundles in. So this is the, I want to say the deep wave. If not, I'm going to update the correct curl pattern down at the bottom of the box. But this is the leftover bundle that I had. Look at how, get into this curl pattern, you guys. Can y'all just see how soft this hair feels? Look at this. But it comes with the little hair care tag. And it, you know how sometimes when you get some hair, it smells like it's been sitting in chemicals, or it smells like a llama peed on it or something, like animal urine? This hair smells really good. Like I don't know what it is, but it smells really, really delicious. This bundle here is, I think it's a 3-ounce bundle, if not 3.5. So if you were to get this and you have a small head, I would say you want it to look natural, you can pull it off with like 2 bundles and a closure. Like I said, the customer service is, they're so polite, they're so kind, and they are really responsive. So when you order it, go to trinityhairhaven.com, trinityhairhaven.com, and order yourself a couple of bundles. It will come in this cute little purple satin bag to protect your hair. Like when I'm done with this, I'm just going to take it off, wash it, let it air dry, and then I'm going to pop it in this hair satin bag to protect it. I don't want it to sit out in the dust and get all dry and dingy. No. When I put my wig on, I want to slay, okay? So I just take it out, pop it in this little bag, and it will protect my hair for the next time that I want to wear it. It's so soft, you guys. TrinityHairHaven.com. TrinityHairHaven.com. Go check them out. Tell them Belinda sent you.